Hi, I'm Jesse with Dr. PC Fix, back with a video about laptops.
We all know what a laptop is. A small, lightweight, and portable computer that has made our professional and personal lives much easier. In this video, we will look at some of the factors that influence what laptop we will use. First is size. Some laptops are quite small and are often called notebooks. They have small display screens and keyboards, but can still contain significant computing power. They might weigh only 2 or 3 pounds. At the other end of the spectrum, we find laptops that have 18-inch screens and numeric as well as alphabetic keyboards. Some of these can weigh over 8 pounds. Then there are laptops in between these sizes. Most laptops have touchpads as built-in pointing devices. Others use a small joystick that looks like a ball and sits in the middle of the keyboard. All laptops have ports to which other devices such as USB drives, an optical CD or DVD drive, a mouse, and another monitor can be connected. Some users prefer to use a laptop with a larger screen and keyboard, so docking stations can be purchased that stay connected to a desktop computer. The laptop slides into the docking connection, and all connections are made at once. So when someone asks you if they should buy a laptop, you know that there are many options.
I'm Jesse, thanks for watching.